What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will show you one of the amazing thing in Python. So first I will open my IDE. Now here is the terminal window. I will split into two cases. Here, this window is generally for the developers to interact with the code and test the code. Let's say Python here. Here's a one function called dir parentheses. What it will does, if you put anything in the any type of data type here, any function here, it will tell you what it can do. So for example, if I put int here, it will show everything you can do with the int. And if I put a string here, it will show everything you can do with strings. Let's say if we want to do what can we do with strings? There is too much. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Let's do capitalize. Let's capitalize the string. uh, let's say x equals to hello. X equals to hello. Print x dot, what is the spelling of capitalize? CAPI. Why not I copy this? X CAPI PALIZE, capitalize, then put these parentheses here, and then close the. Let's see here, it put the capitalization here. It means it will capitalize the first letter. Let's do another thing, like lower it. It convert all the text in lowercase. Let's see, print x dot hello WER. uh, why not we do it uppercase? Here it can do uppercase. You can do everything here. You can do swapping, splitting. List is so long. You can try it yourself. Meet you in the next tutorial. Thank you.